Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to Google Classroom. After that we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.